fluid-ass wheels. Today we're going to be starting a corner cabinet.
That's cabinet in the corner.
Cabinet right in the corner. Triangle shaped. First attempt doing this. We'll see how it goes. First thing we're going to do is cut the bottom of the plywood off for the, I guess you'd call them the right and left sides that go into the corner. Triangles today. Switching it up.
Well, let's make some wood-ass triangles.
Alright.
Well, I guess we'll make size first.
Yeah, let's,
How tall?
want an overall height of 32, but we might be putting a 3/4 top on it. So we can cut it to 31 1/4 if we want.
Yep.
Let's do that.
I have now. Wait 1 second, because now I'm going to make another chapter so that I don't get out.
Well, to do this cut, we're going to be using the DeWalt track saw today. Shout out to DeWalt Tools, I own several of them. What's on that side?
It's like my favorite tool.
We're also going to be wearing these DeWalt safety glasses.
And I'm going to be wearing these. Christmas present for my mom.
Alright, now we're clamped on. Ready to juice this up and go live. Make sure we're at an appropriate depth here.
It's deep enough to go through the wood,
That would be an appropriate depth.
but not enough to cut your support from the bottom. I think it's fair to say. Yep, that was
That was the first cut. Now it's time to think and regroup.
and this could take a minute.
We're just going to cut it down right in the middle, at 24, and then adjust for our 45s, and then go back and make the final cuts to width. We need 1 3/4 of an inch wider than the opposing side, and you'll see why during construction.
So what we're doing now is moving this blade to a 45. That is now tilted. Oh yeah, you're right.
So what we've done is created a 45 on each side. Will you hold that there, please, sir? Now with this piece of wood, this will represent our face frame right here. So by having 45s on each side, our face frame sits nice and flush. However, we will have to do a 45 on our long edge on both opposing sides. And we'll be doing that a little bit later.